how to change TikTok number and password. Hi everyone, in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change your phone number and password on TikTok. In order to do that procedure, first thing first, make sure that the application is completely updated and then open up or log into your TikTok account. Once you're logged in, that's going to direct you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now right on this page, go ahead and tap the profile icon located in the bottom right hand side corner and then go to try bar icon. After that, go to settings and privacy. While you're on settings and privacy, under it there are multiple options. Go to account. As soon as you click the account button, then you'll be able to see account information. Now first of all, let's go ahead and change our phone number. So go ahead and tap the phone number button and click on change phone number. Soon you'll be receiving a verification code, and as you are done entering the verification code, you'll be asked to replace your phone number. So for that as well, you need to verify. Similarly, the code will be sent, and after that you've successfully changed your phone number. As you're done changing your phone number, now it's time for you to change your password. So for that, go to your same page, go to the same page and go to password, and over here as well enter in the passcode or the SMS or the verification code that's going to be sent through an SMS, and enter in the code. Then you'll be taken to the next page where you'll be able to reset your password. After you're done confirming that the change in password, you might be asked whether you want to log out of all the devices that you're currently logged in or that you wish to remain login. Procedure, select the method, and then you've successfully changed TikTok number and password. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.